Imagine you receive a message from your professor of new brain assignment. Instantly the nightmare begins. You copy the text, jump to the chat GPT, ask to solve this assignment, find the resources, make PDF or Word file, and you repeat the process again and again. And sometimes even you realize that the submission time has been gone and you say, what? Okay, alright, what if I told you that you can automate the entire workflow by just few clicks? Sounds interesting. So in this video, we will discuss all the basic concepts of n8n. And plus, by the end of this video, we will build our own mini AI chatbot that take question and give answer. So without wasting time, let's get started. What is n8n? n8n is an open source workflow automation tool that is used to connect other apps, APIs, databases, AI models, and much more, and is used to automate your repetitive tasks which requires low coding or no coding. Think of it like this. n8n is a bridge that makes other software to communicate with each other. Let's understand n8n through a simple example. You receive a message of new assignment, n8n detects it, then it stores the data in spreadsheet, then it is sent to the LLM like ChatGPT, then it creates PDF or Word file, and then it is submitted to the Google Classroom. So this entire workflow is controlled and managed by the n8n. Here might you think that what can actually n8n automate? It is quite simple. n8n can automate anything that is connected to the internet, like your Gmail, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Google Drive, Google Calendar, and much more. Now let's understand what are the basic concepts of n8n. Here are the four main fundamental concepts of n8n. Number one is workflow. In simple words, the entire automation we build is known as workflow. It shows the exact start to finish sequence of the data flow. Consider a workflow as a factory in which a product is prepared. The example we discussed earlier, like receiving a message of new assignment to submitting your PDF to the Google Classroom. So that entire process, that entire automation is known as workflow. Second, we have node. If workflow is the factory, so nodes are the special worker inside it. So basically a node is a single block that is designed to perform a single task. So in simple words, I would say that everything inside the workflow is known as node. Here we have two type of nodes, app node and utility node. App node connects the external services to the n8n, like for example OpenAI, Gemini, and utility node perform the logical operation like filtering data. Third basic concept we have trigger. This is the spark that start your workflow or turn it on just like a button. So what basically trigger does is it answers the question when should I start, and most importantly it has two main events. One is time based and other is event based. The time based is actually you control your workflow by giving some instruction. Like you say run my workflow every morning at 8 a.m. Or you give instruction to check for new assignment every single hour and notify me about that new assignment. Event based is like when an event occurs. For example, you receive a message of new assignment through WhatsApp. So your workflow is triggered. The fourth is action. These are the steps that are executed after the trigger fires. It answered the question that what we should do with that data. Like in the case of new assignment, we ask ChatGPT to solve my assignment and give me PDF. In simple words, it performs action. It complete your task. Send email, create PDF, update calendar, I hope you understand all these four basic concepts of n8n. Now let's move to the screen and let's build our own mini AI chatbot. To build our mini AI chatbot, for that we will search for n8n platform. Here we will create our account and get started building our workflow, our automation, our AI mini chatbot. So let's get started for free. After creating your n8n account, you will see this type of interface. I had already created my n8n account. It looks like this. So when you create your account, these will be empty, like you will see nothing. Okay. So now let's build our AI mini chatbot. For that we will click on create workflow. After that you will see this type of interface. At first step, this is for manually setup if you want to build your workflow manually, and the another is build with AI. If you want to take some help from AI, so AI will help you to build your automation. So here we will build our chatbot manually. We will select on plus, and now here we will search about chat. Click on chat, click on new chat event, and click on test this trigger. Now you can see our chat has been appear. It is a node that act as a trigger. We will give here input and it will question that now I had to start. Now the next step is to click on plus icon and search for AI agent. Click on AI agent and execute step. Like we are building our workflow now, As we discussed that what is node, so everything in our workflow is a node. So here this input is a node, AI agent is a node, everything we add is a node. So now let's add our chat model. We'll click on plus, and in this case I will choose Google Gemini, and we will select on Google Gemini chat model. One thing remember here, when you select Google Gemini, it requires some credentials. It say that provide some credentials. So for that, what you will do is you will come to Google and search for Google AI Studio. After selecting Google AI Studio, if you don't have an account, so create your account, get sign in. So now here you can see that get API key. Select on get API key. You can create your API key. Select on create API key and give name it. Okay, name we will give here AI chatbot, and now click on create key. Now you can see that our API key has been created. So we will copy it, came back to our workflow, then we'll paste our API key there and then save it. Google Gemini chat has been ready. So now it's time to test our AI mini chatbot. So for that we will go for chats. So here are the chats. Here I will ask some question like tell me about the basic concepts of n8n automation tool. So like when I press enter, our trigger has been performed and now AI agent is doing action. So it says that n8n is a powerful low code workflow automation tool. As we discussed, it often describe a more flexible, developer friendly. Okay, if you are a beginner and want to start AI automation from completely zero, then subscribe to this channel, because in the next video we are taking things to the next level. And if you want that what is AI automation, what are AI agents, so you can check out here. Thank you.